And with the wheel removed, let's go ahead and rotate our steering knuckle and start removing the caliper by removing these two bolts right here. I believe they're 12 millimeters. Yep, 12 millimeter. And with the caliper removed, go ahead and check your guide pins. Make sure that they pull themselves back in just like that. Go ahead and rotate them around. Make sure they stay nice and lubricated. Go ahead and remove our old brake pads and our old hardware. This hardware is just trash. It's falling all to pieces over here. Next, we'll go ahead and remove our caliper mounting bracket by removing these two 18 millimeter bolts. And with the bolt removed, we can go ahead and remove our rotor. Sometimes you might have to hit these rotors with a hammer if they're stuck on there or rusted on. If you do need to do that, go ahead and hit in between the studs to knock them loose. If you're worried about hitting your studs and damaging the threads, put your lug nuts on a couple turns and that'll protect those threads. But this one was already loose, so we're just gonna go ahead and pull it straight off. And slide our new rotor. Like so. Next, we can grab our caliper mounting bracket and start putting on our new hardware. Just gotta press this middle piece right in there, like so. Pretty much all there is to it. And get ourselves some brake parts lubricant. And we're just gonna put just a dab right where the brake pads, come on. Right where the brake pads will be sliding. And just work it around just a little bit, nothing crazy. And ready to install. And now we can take our brand new brake pads and slide them into place. So, and now to compress the piston back into the caliper, grab an old brake pad and a nice size C-clamp. And to reinstall. And before putting your wheel back on, make sure you give this thing a quick spray down with some brake clean. The reason why you want to do this is because when the manufacturers are making these rotors, they cover them in oil so that they don't rust while they're sitting in their boxes on shelves. And you want to make sure you get that oil off. 2 reasons. If you leave the oil on and you start driving it, you're going to have a lot of smoke coming from your brake system as that oil is getting burned off. And second, your brand new brake pads will absorb that oil and it'll actually deteriorate the brake pad, taking away from the brake pad's lifespan. And obviously doing the brakes, you want to avoid that as much as possible. So make sure you grab yourself a can of brake clean and hit up those rotors. But other than that, that's pretty much all there is to doing your front brakes on your PT Cruiser. If you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.